I have come up with today a very important video on how to equip you all with the correct exam techniques for your upcoming applied skills exam. We know that conceptual clarity is important, question practice is important. At the same time, correct exam techniques are very essential so that you don't end up losing those 10-15 marks. But before we go forward, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Plus, watch the video till the end. First thing, very essential, is mastering your time management. That starts right away with section A question, where you have 30 questions to do. Please remember to flag the tough ones and scoop away easily with the easy ones so that you can come back to those questions later. You should not allow the distractions that may just kill your section B and section C time. Don't allow it, because section B and section C, they account for at least 70% of your total mark. So adhering to the time management is very essential over there. That is around 1.8 minutes per marks or 36 minutes for 20 marks question. If you're running late, don't forget to prioritize your written requirements over the spreadsheets, as they give you the added advantage and they make you earn those marks very easy. Next is tackling the scenarios, which is the correct approach. To read the scenarios first. Always read the requirement first, then scan through the scenarios and highlight the key facts. And also you can use the copy paste options in your section C questions if you want to copy any data from exhibits to your answer. This will increase your speed and save your time. Also, don't forget to reread before you answer to those sidestep common trap questions that examiners give you. Also, it is advised that you practice extensively on the ACCA CB platform that provides you with an ample study support resource. If you want to know more about that, I have also uploaded a video on it, and the link is in the description box. Also, understand, never write your theory answers in bullets. They will give you 0 marks. Use full sentences with because, the reason, and as the link, so that you get full marks. For example, you are writing the variance rose because actual cost exceeded the budget due to overtime. Now give a reason, give the next step. So the management, what they should do, they should investigate the staffing variance. For example, give like this correct sentences to get marks. Also, when you write your answers clearly in your clear structure, you get added marks for them. You should always practice everyday mock exam, just like a daily routine. Review your examiner reports for any pitfalls and analyze any distractors that you may have. See, there are common mistakes which are highlighted in your examiner report. Also, make sure that you attempt everything and in a concise way, writing in good paragraphs with bold headings. If you want to know how examiners' reports are decoded, I have uploaded a video of the same as well. The link is there in your bio. Now, scenarios that are specific, if the scenario specific questions are there, please use scenario data to answer that question. That will save half of your time by doing copy paste. Like this, please manage your time, give your best, read the questions properly, use flagging off effectively, and make sure that you have eyes on the clock. Time is very essential. If you complete the paper on time, complete everything, do not leave anything, your passing percentage chances, they increase tremendously. Thank you. For any other support, drop your comments in the chat box.